Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making fried dumplings or Jamaican festivals. I hope y'all enjoy. Bam bam boodadoop, we're back at it again. So guys, first you want to go ahead and pour your flour into your mixing bowl, as well as your cornmeal, sugar, salt, and your butter. As you will see, I do not slice my butter into smaller pieces. I just pour it in there, and then I'll be using my hand to smash this and mix it evenly into the mixture. You want to ensure that your butter is mixed evenly into the mixture because it will give the dough a light and flaky texture that really can't be replicated by any other technique. So you want to ensure that this butter is like mixed properly into the dough before you add your milk. And then when you're ready to add the milk, you don't want to pour everything all at once. You want to like pour it little by little and then mix it and then pour it again and mix it, as you guys will see. There you go, easy Jamaican recipes for you to try at home. Guys, thank you all for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay sweet. Bye.